So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL stock. So we'll see what are the major updates which are running around this particular company that made the stock look bullish. So when we go to the technical chart, so there also you'll see it is showing some extreme bullishness and it has also crossed the resistance. So what would be the next immediate targets? So will that also we'll try to find out. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so we know that there are various updates which are going around SAIL. So I'll discuss three major important updates. So this might be aware to all the people, but I want to discuss as the stock, what is the major reason why it is going up. So we know that the stock has been considerably improving, especially in steel segment. So we know the company chairman also recently has told that the company has reduced almost 7,000 crore debt since April 2020. That is last year. So that amount is not small. So you need to understand 7,000 crore it has reduced implies how much you can understand the balance sheet. It will show a positive movement. Okay. So apart from that, this was the first thing, and we also know that Motilal Oswal has also given a target on SAIL. It has given almost 105 rupees, that is 104 target has been given by that, but we know that we can't directly depend on targets, but our analysis also matters. So technically also it is looking bullish. So chances are there that this particular targets also may be achieved. And apart from that, previously also we know that almost all the steel stocks have surged because they have decided to increase the steel prices by 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per ton. Okay, so because of the extreme export demand, supply demand, so on the basis of that, even we can see Abhijit Bora, the senior analyst of Sharekhan, so he also told that it may go up to even 13,000 to 14,000 per ton in the near term. So long term wise also the prices may increase, especially regarding the steel. So on that particular note, we have seen not only JSW Steel, SAIL, Tata Steel, so all these three stocks have given very good movement. And financials wise also, we know that December quarter SAIL has reported very good result. So after that it has shown considerable movement. Okay, so if you see the financials as well, you can see revenue has increased almost 19.91%, and you can see net income has increased almost 527.34%, diluted EPS has increased 527.7%, net profit margin 455. So you're seeing how much increment is present, okay, on year basis. So why? Because that time we know that due to COVID pandemic, especially when lockdown has happened, so most of the infrastructure projects have been stopped, and there was huge loss for those companies. So ultimately when economy has started reviving, especially even auto sector also has started reviving, so steel stocks have become some of the major components of each and everything. So without steel anything can't be done, without we can't do any construction, as well as major components cannot be manufactured. So when the essence of these stocks have been recognized, so they have considerably started retracing. Okay, so if we discuss the 1 week movement of SAIL, so you can see it has given almost 14.40% returns, while sector was also moving in accordance with SAIL, and you can see it has given 13.98%, and you can see Sensex has given only 2.44% return. So next, coming to 1 year time frame, so you can see 1 year, so this is called the return, basically a safe side investment, because nothing major downfall will be present, only minor fall, and you can see returns how much it has given, almost 272.0% returns, and you can see sector also has competed in a very good manner, and you can see 241.8% is given by sector, and you can see Sensex has given almost 75.55% return. So pretty good returns we have expected from Steel Authority of India. Okay, so coming to most important thing, that is the technical. So we are here to discuss the technicals, what are the next targets, what are the supports. So now we'll see what are the major things. So currently you can see 84.50 is the next resistance. So you can see that is going to be a very important level. So if it breaks that, definitely you will be seeing some extreme bullishness in the stock. So definitely whatever the other brokerages are saying, that is 100, so that might also be achieved. Okay, so we can see from where it has started retracing. So you can see if you go 4 to 5 days back, it was taking the support near the 50-day exponential moving average. From there you can see it has considerably retraced. So not the first time, you can see second time. So previously also, if you do the back testing, so there also you can see it has retraced from that particular level. So I think all of you have put this particular setup, especially 50-day exponential moving average as well as 200-day exponential moving average. So resistance wise, we have seen 84.50 is the next resistance. Support, so that is also very important. So support, you can see it is present here 78. So marking clearly 78 is the next immediate support. So that is going to be very important and crucial in the coming days as well. So those are the basic things. So when you come to money flow index, so money flow index also considerably, when it has gone to oversold region during the market fall, that is previously last week, so after that it has considerably, the buying has been initiated at the lower levels and it has continuously gone up. So this is in 1 day chart. So what you can see in 1 week, so 1 week you can see it has gone above the resistance level, and now you can see it is very much free, and you can see 90 as the next pivot point. So definitely it's worth watching. So definitely hold this particular stock if you're already invested, and upcoming results also will be positive for all the steel companies, and you can see little bullish type of hammer is being initiated. So that is a confirmation, and you can also see money flow index was in little accumulation and now it has started retracing. Okay, so this was the region 75-76. So it has crossed that particular level, and today you can see closing above that is very crucial. So next immediate targets would be 85 is the first immediate target. After that 90 plus can be seen in this particular stock. So market condition is also little flat because we know that today is weekly expiry. So if market also is turning out to be on positive note, definitely we may see further bullishness in the stock. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe, and further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section. So until then, take care, bye bye.